Think traveling the world is only for the rich? Think again. With a bit of planning, flexibility, and creativity, you can explore new places and create unforgettable experiences without draining your savings. Stick around for our top budget travel tips and discover how to have unforgettable adventures while saving money. Let's get started and make your travel dreams come true. Plan ahead and set a budget. The key to budget travel starts with planning. The earlier you start, the more opportunities you have to find deals and make cost-effective decisions. Begin by researching your destination and understanding the average costs for accommodation, food, and activities. This will give you a realistic idea of what to expect and how much you need to save. Create a detailed budget that includes all aspects of your trip: flights, accommodation, food, activities, and any other expenses like travel insurance or local transportation. Allocate a specific amount for each category and stick to it. It's important to build in a buffer for unexpected expenses so you're not caught off guard. Find affordable flights. Airfare can be one of the most significant expenses of traveling, but flexibility can lead to substantial savings. Use flight comparison websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights to find the best deals. Often, flying midweek or during off-peak seasons can result in lower prices. If you're flexible with your travel dates, you can take advantage of lower fares. Consider flying with budget airlines. These carriers offer lower prices, but may charge extra for baggage and seat selection. Be sure to read the fine print and factor in any additional costs to compare them accurately with traditional airlines. Booking your flights several months in advance can help you secure lower fares. Last-minute deals are available, but they can be risky and often come with higher prices. Many travel websites and airlines offer fare alerts. Sign up for these notifications to stay informed about price drops and special promotions. Before we dive into more budget travel tips, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. Now let's dive back in. Save on accommodation. Hotels are not your only option when it comes to accommodation. Look into alternatives like hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals. Websites like Hostelworld, Airbnb, and Booking.com offer a range of budget-friendly options. For a more local experience, consider staying with friends or family, or look for house-sitting opportunities. If you're traveling to multiple destinations, consider staying longer in one place. Many accommodations offer discounts for extended stays. This not only saves money, but also allows you to experience a location more deeply. Check for deals and discounts on accommodation booking sites. Sometimes you can find promotional rates or special offers that provide significant savings. Additionally, consider using cashback sites or rewards programs to earn money back on your bookings. Save on food and drinks. Eating out for every meal can quickly add up, so try to eat like a local. Street food, local markets, and small eateries often offer delicious and affordable options. Research popular local dishes and food spots to make the most of your culinary experiences without overspending. If you're staying in a place with a kitchen, take advantage of it. Buying groceries and preparing your own meals can save you a significant amount of money. Look for local markets or supermarkets to purchase fresh ingredients and cook simple, budget-friendly meals. Restaurants and cafes in tourist-heavy areas often have inflated prices. Venture off the beaten path to find authentic and budget-friendly dining options. Ask locals for recommendations, or use food review apps to find hidden gems. Travel smart. Instead of relying on taxis or rental cars, use public transportation whenever possible. Buses, trains, and subways are usually more affordable and provide a great way to experience the local culture. Many cities also offer travel passes or discount cards for tourists. Exploring on foot or by bike is not only cost-effective, but also allows you to see a destination up close. Many cities have bike-sharing programs or pedestrian-friendly areas. Walking and biking are great ways to save money and get some exercise while traveling. Many cities offer free or low-cost attractions and activities. Research local museums, parks, festivals, and landmarks that are free to visit or have a minimal entry fee. Many places also have free walking tours, which can be a great way to learn about the city without spending much. Manage your money wisely. Travel rewards credit cards can offer benefits like cashback, points, or miles for every dollar spent. Some cards also offer travel insurance or no foreign transaction fees, which can save you money on your trip. Just be sure to pay off your balance each month to avoid interest charges. Exchange rates can vary, and currency exchange services at airports or tourist areas often have higher fees. Keep track of your expenses while traveling to stay within your budget. Use budgeting apps or keep a travel journal to monitor your spending on accommodation, food, and activities. This will help you make adjustments if needed and prevent overspending. Be resourceful and flexible. Look for deals and discounts on activities, attractions, and tours. Websites like Groupon or Viator offer discounted tickets and experiences. Additionally, many destinations have local tourism boards or visitor centers that provide information on current promotions and special offers. Traveling during off-peak seasons can result in significant savings on flights, accommodation, and activities. Research the best times to visit your destination and avoid high prices and crowded tourist spots. Sometimes the best experiences come from unexpected opportunities. Be open to trying new things, meeting new people, and exploring off-the-beaten-path locations. Flexibility and a positive attitude can lead to memorable and cost-effective adventures. Travel with a group. Traveling with a group can help reduce costs as expenses like accommodation, transportation, and food can be shared. If you're traveling with friends or family, consider renting a larger accommodation or sharing a rental car to save money. Some attractions and activities offer group discounts. Check if there are any special rates or deals available for groups, and plan your activities accordingly. Prepare for emergencies. Travel insurance is a small investment that can save you from significant expenses in case of emergencies. Look for a policy that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost or stolen belongings. Compare different plans and choose one that fits your needs and budget. Set aside a small emergency fund for unexpected expenses while traveling. This fund can cover things like medical emergencies, unexpected changes in travel plans, or other unforeseen costs. Keep it separate from your regular travel budget and access it only when necessary. Traveling on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing quality or experiences. By finding affordable flights, saving on accommodation, managing your money wisely, and being open to new opportunities, you can make the most of your travels and create unforgettable memories. So pack your bags, keep an eye on your budget, and get ready for an incredible adventure that won't strain your finances. Happy travels! Enjoyed these budget travel tips? Hit like, share with your fellow explorers, and subscribe for more ways to see the world without breaking the bank.